Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're in the guest room showing you my Craftsman half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. Um, it is a chain drive garage door opener. I'll show you the model number for some of the people that can't quite remember what the model number is. This is a 139.53930DM, manufactured of March 8th, 2011. This garage door opener is still working. By the way, I got some of the different remotes. I actually got one different remote programmed to my 53930. I know you see the Axis Master remote. I think the model number is 371AC. This Axis Master remote is a 3-1. Excuse me. This remote is the 371AC remote. That's the model number. It was manufactured of November 2010. It does work on my 53930, but I'll show you that in a little bit until I'm ready. I still have my Chamberlain 950 CD. It was manufactured of February 2010, and as well our old LiftMaster remote. It's still working. But I cannot quite remember what the model number is, but it was manufactured of April 2008. I still can't quite remember what the model number is because the label is wearing off. By the way, but as you could tell, I am feeling a little bit I'm having a little bit of a cold, and I was having like a cold this morning, and I decided to stay home today, and I was my mom was trying to get me to push through this morning, but unfortunately I was my mom was trying to get me to get ready for school, but I got a cold, and I was not too happy about going to school with a cold, and I was struggling to push through, which apparently that I was not too happy about. So, and I decided to stay home because I don't want my school friends and my work friends and my staff, and I didn't want my boss to catch my cold, because it usually worries me a lot. By the way, I still have the keypad programmed to my 53930. It was manufactured of January 2012. It's a 139.53754-01. Again, it was manufactured of January 2012. I do have the premium wall button for the 53930. It's still working. I really like this wall button hooked onto my. I like it when this button is working on my 53930, so that you can turn the opener light on or off, so that you can in case if your garage is getting dark. I really like this button better. The lock button does work. I'm going to use the Axis Master Remote. The opener light blinks twice to let you know that you locked your garage door opener. In case if you're going on a long road trip, or in case if you are not comfortable of letting others open your garage door while you're gone at a road trip, or if you're going anywhere else where it's if you're traveling to a place that is very, very, very far away from your house, or something like that, or if you're going on a cruise ship or a plane, or if you're going anywhere else, or any other types of trips. That's to let you know that you when the opener lights blink twice when you use the remote, that's to let you know that that you have, well, the opener lights blink twice to let you know that you locked your garage door opener with this button. I really like this button better than the standard wall button, but it doesn't normally come with it. But the premium wall button will work on the 53930. In case if you want to turn the opener light on or off without opening and closing your garage door. I like this button better. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and show you the this garage door opener. Let's go ahead and start using the Axis Master Remote that I have not shown you yet. And here we go. See, it still works. It is programmable. It's not necessarily like only for like, it's not necessarily like the one with a Craftsman logo, but it will still work on your Craftsman garage door opener, just like on any LiftMaster or Chamberlain or probably Axis Master or any other types different logos that you know, that have like different logos on there. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the closing with the Axis Master Remote, and here we go. Sorry, the safety sensors. Let me go ahead and try again. It's not quite too loud. Okay, I showed you the Axis Master Remote already. Now let's go ahead and use the Chamberlain 950 CD. And here we go. Gear spins. Let's do the closing with the 950 CD, and here we go. I'm going to show you the gear spinning. The gear spins counterclockwise when the garage door opens, and when the garage door closes, it spins clockwise. Okay, I used the Chamberlain 950 CD already. Now let's go ahead and use the LiftMaster remote. Before I actually do that, I want to show you what I got. I actually got the Axis Master remote programmed to this garage door opener because I really wanted to try it out. By the way, it does work. I bought this one from eBay, and then in 2024, I actually got this Chamberlain 950 CD remote on eBay. They both still work. I got the used condition ones. Actually, this remote was not been tested at all, but except if it was programmed to my Craftsman 139.53930DM. Okay, now now I wanted to tell you something about our old LiftMaster remote. My parents had like a LiftMaster 1/3 horsepower LiftMaster garage door opener. And it actually came with this remote. My parents got that opener a very, very long time ago when I was a young kid. Yeah. My parents actually got this remote when I was very, very, very little. Um, I do know what the manufacture date is. It was April 2008. But I still can't quite remember the model number. Again, it was manufactured of April 2008. And my parents bought this remote when I was a little kid. But then I got it programmed to my 53930, and it still works. So, there's something. I can't quite remember what the model number is on our old LiftMaster garage door opener, but I know it was made in April 2008. I really like the emergency release handle upside down, and as well the tag too, because I thought it would look cool for me to have it installed like this, because it looks pretty cool to me. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and use the old LiftMaster remote, and here we go. Okay, now let's do the closing with our old LiftMaster remote, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and use the keypad to operate my Craftsman 139.53930. And here we go. But I can't show you the code. You don't need to put the code in when you're closing the garage door. But let's do the safety sensor check. The opener light blinks 10 times to let you know that that something is wrong with your safety sensors, or if the safety sensors have died, or if they're out of the alignment, or if something is blocking the safety sensors. The blinking opener lights... The opener light blinks 10 times to let you know that something is wrong with your safety sensors, if they're not aligned properly, or if something is blocking the safety sensors, or if they're if they're um or if the safety sensors are not working right, or if they have died. That's to let you know that it requires the safety sensors to work better. Now let's go ahead and do the closing with the keypad, but you don't need to put the code in when you're doing the closing. Let's use the keypad to do the closing with this garage door opener, and here we go. You don't need to put the code in. Alright, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time. And this time we will be using the premium wall button, and here we go. Now let's do the closing with this wall button, and here we go. I got my my Craftsman 53930 during my birthday last year, but I got a different Craftsman garage door opener. It's not a chain drive, it's a belt drive, but it is half horsepower. And it does have a motion detecting wall button, just like the 3/4 Craftsman chain drive. It does come with a motion detecting wall button, just like the 3/4 Craftsman chain drive, like a 139.53990 model. That's like a 3/4 horsepower chain drive. I actually got this garage door opener that's like mint condition Craftsman half horsepower, but it's not a chain drive, it's a belt drive. It looks like a 139.53985 model. I really love the 53985 model, the half horsepower chain drive. Because it's my most favorite half horsepower chain drive when I was a kid. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the model number, and I'll show you what it is momentarily. There we go. The model number is a 139.53915DM, manufactured of July 5th, 2013. I know I put a unique LED light bulb inside of my garage door opener. It still works with the remotes, even though if it has like a LED light bulb. I like this LED light bulb on the garage door opener. It looks cool for me to have it inside the Craftsman garage door opener. Hold on, let me put my phone down so I can close the light lens cover. There we go. It actually comes with 2 remotes. I got this Craftsman garage door opener during my birthday this year. And I got my 53930 that I already operated as well. I already got my my 53930 during my birthday as well, but it was actually from last year. I got this garage door opener last year for my birthday, and then 1 year later I got this Craftsman garage door opener during my birthday. Well, I might want to get one for I really want to try out the 139.53985DM when I get the new one for Christmas this year. This it does have a motion detector right there, just like on a 3/4 horsepower chain drive Craftsman. Let's turn the opener lights off for a second. The opener lights turn on by itself when you walk into your garage, in case if your garage gets very dark at nighttime, or if your garage gets kind of pitch black. Excuse me. This half horsepower Craftsman belt drive is actually it's actually pretty quiet. It's a little bit quieter than my 53930. It is an AC belt drive. That's my most favorite type of AC belt drive. Hold on, guys. Let me go grab something. If I find something that I wanted to show you, what I have programmed to my garage door opener. I'll be right back as soon as possible. Whoops. Sorry, I accidentally operated my 53930. Okay. so I want to show you something that is quite interesting. I know my keys kind of look bulky. I really like these keys on my ring. I know it makes it more bulky. And by the way, I do have a replica keychain garage door opener remote. It looks exactly like a Craftsman remote. It does work on the 53915 model. And as well, my 139.53752. This was actually manufactured of May 2006. Man, this remote is nearly 19 years old. I actually got this in mint condition on eBay. Since last year. And this remote does work. And as well, those 5 big remotes. I know this remote looks like a single button remote, but I'll show you the model number. It is 139.18190, manufactured of June 2010. And these original remotes are actually a 139.53753, manufactured of July 2013, same day that it was the same day that it was manufactured. It was it's actually the same day and the same month and the same year that it was manufactured. As well, that Craftsman remote as well. It is a 139.53753, and I got 2 replica remotes. I got 2 big replica remotes. They're also a 139.53753. I actually got these 2 replica remotes last year after I got my 53930DM. But I don't want these remotes programmed to my 53930 anymore. But I'll have these programmed to my half horsepower belt drive garage door opener that I got during my birthday. By the way, this opener is actually a little bit quieter than my 53930. All of these remotes do work. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and there's no model number showing, but it looks exactly like the 53752 model. It's actually a replica garage door opener remote. It'll still work on my 139.53915. we'll we'll show you how the motor sounds like, and here we go. It's a little bit quieter than my 53930. Okay, let's do the closing with this keychain remote, and here we go. There we go, I got it working. Now let's use the 53752 that I got programmed to my 139.53915 DM. By the way, I put tape on it because it won't stay on there tightly. Because when I was trying to put the new battery in it, and then it just kept... when I try to put the new battery, it keeps well, I accidentally broke the inside of the remote. And that's why I put tape on there. Okay, let's go ahead and start using the 53752, and here we go. It still works. Now let's do the safety sensor check. And here we go. Here. The opener lights blink 10 times to let you know that that something is wrong with your safety sensors if they're and that's to let you know that your safety sensors are not working right, or if they're blocked or out of alignment, or if they're not working properly, or if the safety sensors have died or needed to be replaced. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the closing with the keychain remote, and here we go. It does have a lock button. It does work. I'm gonna use the remote to show you, to make sure that I wanted to show you why the opener lights blink twice, to let you know that you locked your garage door. The remote is working on my 53915 DM. When the opener lights blink twice, that's to let you know when you're out in the garage doing something, when That's to let you know that you locked your garage door opener, that somebody else is trying to operate your garage door opener. That somebody else is trying to open your garage door, but you locked it. In case if you are going on a road trip, or if you're going somewhere else that's nowhere near around you, or if something is wrong with your I mean that's to let you know that when you're that the opener lights blink twice to let you know that that you locked your garage door opener. In case if you're going something far away from your home, or if you're going on a long road trip, or if you're taking a plane, or if you're taking a cruise ship, or somewhere far away from your home that does have a garage, or something like that. In case if you're not comfortable letting other people open the garage door with their remotes. That's to let you know that you that's to let you know that when you to let you know that you locked your garage door opener. And now here's the light button. The light button still works. You can turn the opener light on or off without opening and closing your garage door if you have like this button hooked onto this opener, or the other Craftsman openers. It does have a motion detecting. It does have a motion detecting thing that when you turn the opener lights on, it'll automatically turn on by itself. In case if your garage gets too dark or something, or if it is like pitch black. I might want to use that for my own garage that I'll show you in a couple years. Yeah. Okay, now let's go ahead and use this remote. It does work on my 53915DM. The model number is 139.18190, manufactured of June 2010. Okay, now let's go ahead and use this rare Craftsman remote, and here we go. I'm gonna show you this unique gear spinning. Now let's do the closing with this remote, and here we go. right, now let's go ahead and use these two replica, one of these two replica remotes, and here we go. Let's do the closing with this replica remote, and here we go. Now let's use the other replica remote, and here we go. I'm trying to adjust the safety sensors. Let's do the closing with this one, this replica remote that I've used, and here we go. It does have a keypad as well that I forgot to tell you. It's 139.53754-1. It is the same day that in the same month and the same year that it was manufactured in, July 2013. Now let's, it does work on my 53915. But now let's go ahead and use this remote to operate this garage door opener, and here we go. Here's the closing with this remote. Okay, one last remote, and then I'll do the keypad and the motion detecting button. And here we go. It works pretty good. Now let's go ahead and now let's do the closing with this remote, and here we go. Okay, the motion detecting button does work when you turn to this switch on the side of the button. When you turn the opener light off, the opener lights turn back on by itself. the opener lights automatically turn on by itself so that it stays on while you're in the garage doing something. In case if you're doing something out in the dark, or if your garage gets dark or something like that, or if it is like pitch black or something. And that's how the garage door opener works. Okay, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener with the motion detecting. And here we go. It's a little bit quieter than my 53930. Now let's do the closing with it, and here we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time, and this time I'm going to be using the keypad, but I still can't show you the code. It works pretty good. I'm gonna put the keys on the bed. Now let's close the garage door one more time with the keypad, but you don't need to put the code in when you're closing the garage door with this keypad. And here we go. All right. That's all for now. Well, I hope you enjoy this video about my 53930 Craftsman and my 53915 Craftsman. They're both half horsepower. This one is a chain drive, and my 53915 is a belt drive. Alright, that's all the videos for right now. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.